Storm tracker mode is active. Latest details on the storm as it pulls away today, but the wind's going to pick up. Here is storm tracker radar. Showers moving east to the west around that low that's spinning south and east of us here in Maine, ending today with mountain snow, and then the mountain snow is going to linger into Sunday in the upslope, the northwest facing slopes. Scattered showers today, a few inches of snow in the mountains, not a lot. It will become windy statewide, and there are two more storms coming in the next 10 days. Scattered showers continue on Maine Futurecast. Mountain snow north and west. We are drying out tomorrow from west to east, north to south. We'll get that dry air to come in. Only the mountains is going to see snow tomorrow, and we'll see things really wind down. It's rain, it's cloudy, and windy today. Northwest wind, right now it's quiet, but it's going to get to 20, 30 miles an hour, gusting to 40 plus. So be ready, a lot colder in the forecast. Most rain is down east rest of today, much less elsewhere, with the snow is going to be north and west. So the Boundary Plateau, the western mountains on the backside of the storm. The storm is spinning well to our east. There are breaks in the rain, but it is staying cloudy. Don't cancel your plans today or tomorrow, but just watch out for the wind. That wind here is going to be the biggest factor. You see that wind gusting to 40 plus, so it will be just as windy tomorrow as today. Be prepared for, even though the rain stops, it's still going to be windy tomorrow. That storm gets a lot stronger to our east. So there's a gale warning up really all weekend long. Down east, mid-coast, southern coast, you got that gale up, wind gusting 30, even 40 knots, seas around 4 feet. The next storm is Tuesday. It's mostly rain, quick mover. Another storm for Black Friday, and there is an opportunity there for significant snow and even accumulating snow down to the coastline. Storm tracker mode up this weekend because of the rain, but also the wind. Temps mid-30s, mountains. Tuesday, a mix of rain and snow in the mountains. And then next week, Black Friday, 39 inland, and that temperature is going to come down. And notice here, there is snow in the forecast with a mixture of rain, depending on that storm track, is crucial. At the coastline, we're getting sunshine on Monday. That'll be great. Even tomorrow, a little bit of sun breaking out too. But then by Thursday for Thanksgiving, right now I'm keeping that dry. It's Black Friday where that storm comes in with rain and even a mixture of snow down to the coastline. You're here and the right spot for the latest details on the potential snowstorm for Black Friday. I have that all coming up right here.